Hi, I'm Lindsay from howtosew.com, and this is a Machine Minute brought to you by Baby Lock and the Grace Machine. Many of us make the mistake of only replacing our machine needle when it's bent, broken, or dull. But as a general rule of thumb, you should be replacing your needle after 8 hours of sewing time. Remember, a sharp needle always sews better. To replace a needle, you'll need a flathead screwdriver, which is usually included with your machine, and a new needle. Raise the needle to its highest position and turn your machine off. Place a piece of fabric or paper under the presser foot to prevent the needle from falling into the hole, and lower your presser foot. Loosen the needle clamp screw and remove the needle by twisting the screw towards yourself. The needle has a flat side and a rounded side. Insert the needle into the slot until it touches the needle stopper. You may need to rotate the needle until it fits into the groove. While holding the needle with your left hand, tighten the needle clamp screw by twisting it away from yourself. Rethread your needle and you're ready to sew. Remember, replace your needle after 8 hours of sewing. A sharp needle sews better.